Welcome back, Flur community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. And in today's video, I come with some breaking and somewhat sad news. As of today, as of 5 hours ago, the Flur network has stopped creating blocks. So we're not really sure why that is. We're here on the Flur Explorer right now. And if we give it a little refresh, you can see that this was the last block that was created 5 hours ago. And of course, we are very familiar with blocks being processed every 1 to 2 seconds. That hasn't occurred in the last 5 hours. If you're wondering why you cannot connect to decentralized applications or see your balances or perform any transactions, this is why. Now we go over to the X page here for the Flur Devs account. They said we're currently investigating a network outage on Flur. Our engineers are working to restore the service as quickly as possible. We'll share updates here. Now I have been checking, but there hasn't been any updates as of yet. I'm expecting a post-mortem of this. We've got Philip here saying that the network is currently suffering an outage and the team is working on resolving it. So we're just going to have to hang tight and see what happens. Now, this is very unfortunate, as I'm sure you would agree. And I feel like once you have one outage, you can't ever redeem that 100% uprate statistic, right? It's like a piece of paper. If you crumple it up, there's no way to get it perfect again. So unfortunately, it has tainted the record or the metrics of the Flur network, but I'm hoping that they do resolve this issue very soon. I'm very surprised to see that the Flur price has remained somewhat stable. I would expect some sort of sell-off from this, but maybe it's because the network is down, so people can't deposit to exchanges. We know that a lot of the FLR is actually utilized within the network through delegation, through staking, and all of that good stuff. So we're just going to have to wait and see how this pans out. But there is something that I did want to mention to you, because I imagine with this outage, over the course of the next hours or until it actually gets resolved, you will see an uptick in scammers. You may be having a problem. You may say, how can I fix this problem? I can't do transactions, etc. And then you will potentially be approached by an imitator of the Flur team, saying that they can help you. Just go to this address and input your secret phrase. Keep your secret phrase a secret. Keep your private keys private. There is no way that Hugo will take time out of his very busy schedule to personally help you, and just be careful out there, because there will be an uptick in scammers that are capitalizing on this news. Okay, Flur community, I am back. We just got some recent updates after I finished editing, and this is from the Flur Devs team. They say, incident update. The root cause has been identified and corrected. Released version, a new release is now available. There is some immediate action that is required. All validators and observer nodes must upgrade immediately to restore full network operation. And you can see the release notes here. Thank you for your quick action and continued support. So it seems like we are just on the verge of getting this resolved. This is the GitHub repository, and not that much in the release notes. I imagine they want to get this out as soon as possible, but we can see this one commit here. It looks like there hasn't been that many changes, and from my perspective, it does look like a configuration issue. And so it is quite a simple fix, and hopefully we have all of the validators and observer nodes implementing this change and updating their software, their node, as soon as possible so we can get back on track. That's the update. The Flur network did go down, but fortunately it's been resolved within a space of 5 hours. We're just waiting now for the validators to update their software, and then we can proceed as normal. Right, that's it guys. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Take care. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.